Hello future accountants, welcome back to our channel. If you are here, you're probably considering or have already started your journey with the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants or ACCA. And you might have also heard about the ACCA Applied Knowledge level from your friends, colleagues or even online discussions. Today, we're going to help you understand what the ACCA Applied Knowledge level is, what to expect and how you can ace it. The ACCA qualification, as you know, is divided into three levels: applied knowledge, applied skills, and strategic professional. The applied knowledge level is the foundational stage, setting the groundwork for your ACCA journey. Let's break down the three examinations at the applied knowledge level. The first is the Business and Technology, formerly known as F1. The ACCA Business and Technology paper provides insight into the business environment and its impact on organizational structure. It covers how legal and economic factors affect areas such as health and safety, employment, and data security. Learners will explore the role of accountancy in helping organizations address these factors, ensuring efficient and ethical management. Additionally, they'll also become familiar with the latest accountancy tools and technology and learn how to effectively communicate their findings. Management Accounting, and formerly known as F2. The ACCA Management Accounting paper provides a comprehensive understanding of various accounting techniques designed to aid planning, controlling, and performance monitoring across different business areas. This knowledge will empower the learners to influence decision making within their organization. This module emphasizes on the significance of management information, including its sources and nature. Learners will also understand to apply statistical methods for data analysis and effective communication of their findings. Additionally, the learners will also explore costing techniques, enabling them to prepare and utilize budgets, standard costing, variance analysis to measure and monitor the firm's performance. Lastly, there's Financial Accounting, and formerly known as F3. The ACCA Financial Accounting paper introduces the learners to the fundamental concepts and principles of accounting. It covers how to prepare and interpret basic financial statements for sole traders and partnerships. The learners will also become accustomed in using double entry techniques and the trial balance, which highlights balances in a company's general ledger accounts. The syllabus emphasizes understanding the regulatory framework for account preparation and qualitative data. The learners practice drafting financial statements and learn how to record, process, and report business transactions and events for both incorporated and unincorporated firms. Additionally, the learners develop the skills to identify errors within the trial balance. These exams are computer-based and available year-round. They mainly consist of multiple choice questions and are 2 hours long. So what can you expect as someone who's just starting out? Firstly, the format. It's crucial to get comfortable with the computer-based testing environment. Secondly, the content. You'll cover the basics of the business world, management accounting techniques, and financial accounting fundamentals. And while these exams are foundational, they are definitely challenging. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes students make and how to avoid them. Number one is overconfidence. Overconfidence can be a big pitfall. These exams are foundational but not easy. Secondly, never ignore the syllabus provided by the ACCA. It's your roadmap. And lastly, don't rely solely on memory. ACCA exams test your understanding and application of concepts. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Number one, start with consistent revision and allocate the last couple of weeks before your exam solely for revising. Number two, try to relate concepts to real-world scenarios to better understand their applicability. Number three, utilize ACCA's extensive resources, including specimen exams and study support guides. And lastly, don't forget to seek feedback, whether through mock exams or study groups. In summary, the ACCA Applied Knowledge level is your first crucial step towards a rewarding career in accounting. Understand the format, avoid common mistakes, and use all the available resources to your advantage. With dedication and the right strategy, you will be on the way to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ACCA tips and insights. Good luck with your studies, and we'll see you in the next video.